Hello guys, good evening, namaste. Welcome to Sale's guitar lesson. Today we'll be learning an old classic English song that's called Temple of the King. I'm sure many of you guys know the song. It's a type of rock song. A lot of guitar riff is there. You will enjoy playing it. Okay, so it needs some practice, of course. Like when you play the riff, when you play the lead, it should be a little fast. Okay, so when you play, alright, so it's easy to play. Just that आपको थोड़ा मेहनत करना होगा, थोड़ा practice. Yes, 30 minutes आपको चाहिए, around 30 to 40 minutes. But it's easy to play. When you play it, you will feel it. Rock song. Okay, let's do it. Let's play the song. The lead, all the guidance will be there in the song. आपको पता चलेगा at the end of the video how to play it. Okay, everything is there. One day in the year of the fox came a time, remember well, when a strong young man at the rising sun of the turning of the big black bell. One day in the year of the fox when a bell began to ring, may the time had come for one to go to the temple of the king. There in the middle of the city he stands searching, seeking, and just one touch of the trembling hand, the answer will be found. And daylight waits for the old man screams, servant, help me. And then like a rush of 1,000 wings it shot upon the one, and the day had just begun. One day in the year of the fox came a time, remember well, a strong young man at the rising sun of the dawn of the back band. One day in the year of the fox when a bell began to sing, when the time had come for one to go to the temple of the king. There in the middle of the people we stand, see him, feel him, with just a wave of the song run his goal to the temple of the far from the circle on the edge of the world, it's smoking, wondering, thinking back with the story he saw, what he gonna see. There in the middle of the circle he lies, servant, help me. And all could see all the shot in his eyes, the answer has been found. Back with the people of the circle he lies, see Okay guys, so now I will explain the technical part of the song. Okay, so the riff of the song, which is very important. Okay, so this is, you have already got it, it's there in the video when I was playing, and the notes are also there. So I'm just sharing an additional idea with you how to play this. Second finger you hold with the B5, then आपको दो string बजाना है एक साथ, that is B and E. E open you have to play, and the B5 you have to hold. Okay, so you play together. Two string, two sound, right? You got it. Hold the F chord there. Same thing. E3, sorry, B3 and E0. I played it in a little different way, okay? So it sounds a little different, but you will enjoy it. See, now the thing here is that this type of songs, it needs a lot of finger exercise. आपको finger exercise करना है every day if you want to be a good musician, okay, especially guitarist. Do the finger exercise, learn some videos I have shared earlier, happy birthday, jingle bells. उससे क्या होगा आपको, you will be able to recognize the notes. And also very important, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए, जैसे कि B5 क्या नोट होता है B5, जैसे कि B0 is 0, B1 क्या है E, sorry, C sharp, D sharp, E. So B5 is E note. So you have to know the fretboard, at least the first 5 fret. Okay, that is important. And try playing the song, enjoy it. Thank you.